Are you looking for the best multiprocess welders? In this video we will look at some of the best multiprocess welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Everlast PowerMTS 251D. Everlast is known for making high-quality equipment that lasts. This multiprocess welder is no different. It's a solidly built machine that's designed to provide you with versatility on the job. Whether you need to perform MIG, stick, or TIG welding, the equipment can do it all. The control system is quite detailed. As such, it may require more skills to use. There are several ways to customize your settings. You can choose the type of wire you're using, how you want the touch system to operate, and more. For convenience, the welder even has a memory function to return to settings you like. One thing that stands out for us is the starting features. The welder has a high frequency and lift start option for TIG welding. There's also 2T and 4T modes, which lets you use the torch how you like. Number 2. Everlast PowerMTS 211D. At first glance, it's easy to mistake the PowerMTS 211D with the other Everlast welder on this list. It has the same premium construction quality and a similar control panel. However, this model has more features to improve the user experience. One unique aspect of this welder is the synergic mode. You can load your gun and set up the weld as you normally would. The synergic mode automatically selects settings based on the metal and the thickness of the wire you're using. Of course, you can override these settings to make your own. The control panel allows you to modify everything from amperage settings to the start mode for TIG welding. The machine even has saved slots for you to remember your preferred settings later. Number 3. Lotos CT520D. Looking for a high-quality welder that doesn't break the bank? This model from Lotos may be what you're after. It's one of the best all-in-one welder models that includes TIG, stick, and cutting functionality. The device weighs less than 40 pounds and has a very portable design. Durable feet and a simple carrying handle on the top make it easy to lug around to various jobs. When it comes to performance, the welder is well suited for most tasks. It has a maximum output of 200 amps. Best of all, the machine has a 60% duty cycle at this setting. That's pretty impressive considering the low price tag of this model. It also has a high-frequency start feature and is compatible with a foot pedal. It's not hard to see why this welder is our top budget choice. The machine is considerably more affordable than other options on this list. Yet, it can perform many of the same functions. Number 4. PRIMEWELD CT520D. This multiprocess welder from PRIMEWELD is relatively simple in terms of design and functionality. However, that simplicity is what makes it a great option for home users and beginners. The control panel features only a handful of switches and knobs. There's also a digital current display for better visibility as you work. The machine can be used as a TIG welder, stick welder, and plasma cutter. To switch between the various modes, all you have to do is flip a switch. The highest output this welder can provide is 200 amps. At that setting, the welder has a duty cycle of 60%, which is pretty impressive. The cycle is cumulative, so you can switch between modes quickly before needing to cool the machine down. Number 5. Weldpro 200 amp. This model from Weldpro combines 3 flexible welding techniques into one tiny package. Despite its small footprint, the machine is capable of handling MIG, TIG, and stick welding. It can output as much as 200 amps. At this highest setting, the duty cycle is 30%. While this isn't as much as some other models, it's a worthy sacrifice for portability. The welder offers simple controls and plenty of accessories to customize how you use it. There are 2 digital displays for quick amperage readouts. You can also customize touch start settings and flip between the different welding processes with a push of a button. Take one look at this machine and it's not hard to see why it was chosen as our top portable choice. The device only weighs 30 pounds. Not only that, but it has a rugged carrying handle. Overall, it's beautifully built. The front of the machine features an efficient cooling system to keep the system in good shape on the go, while the sides are covered in durable metal.